Lily sighed and looked over at where Miles lay fast asleep on an old chair. It was the school holidays, and she and Miles were staying with Grandma at the seaside. Miles is Lily's assistant's dog. Lily needs his help because she is autistic. She sees the world differently to others and often finds it difficult to communicate. Miles' job is to support Lily to keep her safe. But for now, Miles was sleeping and Lily was bored. She wanted something to do. Grandma had told Lily stories of sea monsters living in a big dark cave on the beach. Lily wanted to go and explore, but Grandma was still asleep too, and it was raining outside. Tiptoeing out of the room, Lily decided to explore the house instead. Grandma always had interesting things lying around. Who knew what she might find? First, Lily looked under Grandma's bed and behind her long, flowery curtains. Nothing. Next, she looked in the kitchen cupboards. She pulled out drawer after drawer, but all she found were dishes and old scraps of paper. Then, at the back of an old wooden drawer, Lily found something amazing. Her eyes widened with excitement as she passed the bright red torch from hand to hand. Click! Went the torch as Lily pressed the button. A bright beam of light shone against the kitchen wall. Millions of dust particles lit up like tiny fairies dancing on a ray of sunshine.